Hi guys, it's Javi here. Welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for sticking by and Happy New Year, Happy 2024. So everyone, I wish you a glorious year, an amazing year and a year of the Lord, right? So you're welcome. I know I've taken a very long break, but now I'm fully back and then I intend to focus more on in-depth DIY formulations, skincare formulations and even hair care, right? So we're going to be delving into it one after the other. So please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. If you're yet to subscribe, please ensure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so I can get all the juicy details anytime I post new videos. Thank you guys. So have an amazing day and I look forward to seeing you. Take care.